Today's project, putting up my daughter's LED light kit. She's a big fan of LED lights at the moment. So we moved houses, putting in a whole brand new kit in her room. Wanted to share with you the way I'm installing it. Might give you some ideas to install it in the future. Started off by putting the power box and the outlet. This time I used clips to secure the wire for a cleaner look. This time what I did differently as well, I purchased an extension so I can run it up against the corner of the wall for a much cleaner look, so I don't lose any LED strips halfway up or around the room. Same thing, I used clips in the corner to secure it nice and crisp so there isn't any wires running in the middle of the wall. That extension, I also bought it off of Amazon. It is a 6.5 extension. This LED kit, it's not any certain name brand. I did like this one better because the actual strip is much thinner. The previous kit that I had in her room was much thicker. The lights were surrounded about with a gel cushion, and so was the back. So the issue was with the last set of kits that I had, when I took it off of her room, it still left that residue on top. With this one, yes, it still might take off your paint, but it doesn't leave the cushion material left on here. See, I peeled it off just to show you. It did take off some paint, but that could always be repainted. I have no issue with that. I will show you once the room is installed. The bending of the corners on these were a little bit better. The ones that had the gel encased sponge on the lights were hard to bend. I've seen some people fold them so that way they don't come off in the corners. These skinnier ones bent a little bit better than those previous ones I had. I'll also be able to stick that and have a nice clean bend. No faulty lights from that bend. I'm halfway done. I'll show you all the completed process once I finish the other two rooms. Last two walls completed. This LED kit was a 50-foot kit. My daughter's room is 12 by 12, so a 50-foot fit perfectly. I had a few inches left over. I just overlapped it where I started. The end was right here. I just overlapped it where I first started. Still blends in. Still curved perfectly at the corner. I'll show you the other corner. Still had a nice bend as well. Now I will test it with the lights off. Flash mode. strobe, fade, smooth. There you have it. Simple LED light kit from Amazon. I'll post a picture of the certain kit that I bought in case you like the skinny style of these lights with a 3M stick. And I'll also post a screenshot of the extension that I purchased to run up and down the corner of the wall. Thank you.